storms. It's still raining this morning. I figured come out. We'll check our mama here. There goes the little ones. What are you doing, mama? Huh? Zoom in here. There's the two little ones. They've been eating. They've been drinking. Mama's doing good. Huh, mama? Coming over to get something to eat now. Yeah, you got some pretty ones, huh? Yeah. Alright, got something else to show you. Alright, here's the surprise that I was telling you. We went and picked up. So we're going to kind of separate them here in a little bit and wait till dark and then put them in the coop. There's black Australorp, white leghorns, brown leghorns, and barred rocks. So we'll get back to you. There's the chickens. Some of them. If you notice right back there, there's two smaller ones there. So let's take you inside. Yeah, guys. Look right here. All these here on the floor. These are all brand new birds we picked up yesterday. We picked up 20 new birds. So now we have a total of 60 chickens. They're all in here just hanging out. Got a bunch of hens in the nesting box. What do you think of all these, huh? They don't care too much for being outside right now. It's cold. It's been raining. I gotta grab this duck egg. Make sure there ain't no more around. They're all doing good. We put them in here way after dark last night. Let's go take a look at the garden and see how it's fared. Well, this water went in the ground. Everything's kind of beat up. I think that one cantaloupe plant might not come out of it. Overall, I don't think too much got hurt. Get some sun out, maybe things will look better. Radishes are actually standing back up straight. Beets are starting to. Strawberries didn't do too bad. A bunch of strawberries coming on. Only one pineberry plant's got blooms on it. Hopefully that they pick up. Apricot tree, it's kind of bent over from the weight of the apricots on it. It's cloudy. It's probably got another one coming in, and looking out west and south of us, all I see is clouds. So sun comes out and it quits raining and that, I'll probably film some more. If not, I'll see you when I gather up the eggs. I got to get some things done today. I gotta go grocery shopping for my mother and that. And tomorrow the wife works till noon, and then we gotta take off and go up to a family event, which I'll be filming, and there might not be a video for Monday, but we're going to be back Sunday, but I'm not sure what time, and I'll see if I can get something out. But anyway, and Kevin, I hope this works. Hope you watch this. This is my sunflower. Even though I ain't in the sunflower challenge, I got that one, I got that one, and I got that one. And these are the wild sunflowers we get here. So I didn't even have to plant them. They're already coming up. We had a great big one last year. It grew just about 6 foot tall and had some pretty good sunflowers on it. So everything looks like it's fared the storm yesterday pretty good. We had to go deliver some eggs to a town up. It's about 18 miles from us, and they got hit hard. There was tree limbs, hail all over the roads and everything else, and we didn't have the camera with us, so we didn't catch it on film. That one there, that one kind of got folded over, but other than that, it's cold out here today. Alright, be back with you. Alright, here we go. Five in that one. One in that one, that's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 eggs today, plus one duck egg. So, alright, we'll go. Well, hi, Miss Princess. How are you? What are you doing, huh? Alright, let's go outside. We go out when the ground dries out. We got a mud pit out here. Anyway, we got a little bit more hail today. I haven't been over to the garden. It just quit raining. And I haven't looked to see what the clouds look like yet, but well, it's trying to rain right now a little bit. Go here. There's a ditch that runs back here. You can see the sprinkles in it, so getting a light rain right now. Anyway, that's the way the day's been all day. Raining, some hail, and stuff like that, so good Lord willing, if we don't get washed away, blown away, or electrocuted, we'll be back again tomorrow. Smile today, smile tomorrow, and you'll smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for y'all. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watching for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.